Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the DA Time. So in this set of Python videos, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a very basic calculator. This will be all from Python and it'll just use the basics. The basics, go back to my other video if you don't know the basics. Okay, it's really gonna be helpful. And before we guys actually start coding, I just want to tell this is gonna be divided into 3 to 4 videos. I won't be able to cover it all in one. Okay, so all right. So now I'm gonna tell just a basic overview of how it'll go. So this is what I'm thinking. What number, like the two numbers that the user wants to take here, then what they want to use, like multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and then they'll get the result here, and then they'll have the choice like continue or not. Do you want to continue here? And then this all will be packed in a while loop, and we'll be using the while true one. So keep on going, and then if they just say no, then it'll just end equals no. Okay, like when they're like I don't want to continue, then it's automatically gonna end. Okay, all right, now let's get into the coding part. So always before I start making the program itself, I like to just add a little bit about what I'm making. So I'll do print, and then I put my parenthesis, I put my parenthesis here, and then and then I'll type hello and welcome to my basic calculator. Okay, now I'm gonna add a while loop. While I'm gonna add true, and then I'm gonna type my code here. But here's the thing, guys. I didn't put this part in the while true. The reason is because if they're like, yes, I want to continue here, then it'll print out hello and welcome to my basic calculator. We don't want that. We just want them directly to not look at just once. That's good enough. Okay, then we're gonna ask the user for input. Remember, we use a variable. A variable can be any name. So a equals, and then I'll do int input, and then I'm gonna do what is your first number that you wanna do calculations on. Okay, you can make it shorter. That's really up to you. Totally up to you. I'm gonna erase this. Totally up to you. Okay. Now. Okay, so now now we're gonna actually write. Okay, so now A is saved as the number that they've given us. Now we're gonna ask them another number. So I would just copy paste, but since for some reason my computer is not working on that, so I'll just type out the code. So we just do B equals or any other number, whatever you'd like, and then input, and then we would do what is your second number that you wanna do calculations. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, that's all for this tutorial. Be sure to check out my other ones. It's just because you can see here the time limit. Okay, so all right, so let's just save this here.